9 red light violations. That's not just bad driving, that's a full-blown pattern. But what if there's more to the story? Let's see what happens when the truth starts to surface in this courtroom.
Glad.
You can already hear the compassion in the judge's tone. This isn't just about traffic tickets. It's about understanding what led to them, and trust me, this case takes a surprising turn.
Yes, what are we going to do with you? What are we going to do with you? Look at this innocent little girl, Inspector Quinn. She has 9 violations, 9 red lights and speed.
This is crucial. She's revealing that those violations happen while escaping an abusive relationship in cases like this. Judges often have to balance the law with empathy. The goal isn't just punishment, it's justice with understanding.
Speeding. Gladys, what do you do? Do you work?
Yes, I work for a staffing agency. I'm a recruiter. My explanation to those tickets, I dealt with a domestic violence relationship. I ate a lot of those lates, running away from somebody that used to chase me with my daughter.
How old is your daughter?
9.
Notice how the judge immediately changes tone. He's careful not to push for personal details. This kind of sensitivity is what builds public trust in a courtroom setting. What do you think? Is he being too lenient or exactly right?
Is she living with you?
Yeah. She's in school right now.
She was what?
She's in school right now.
She's in school right now. You only have one child?
Yeah.
Okay. And
the other one, from the other plate, I had registered a car.
well, wait a minute. I'm still trying to determine why you would go through
The 727 one by the
9
hospital.
What? 1 minute. I'm trying to determine why you would go through 9 red lights. Okay. I mean, were you being pursued by somebody, or were you just?
Yeah.
All right, Gladys, we are very sensitive to matters involving personal safety, particularly people who are being stalked for like whatever reason, and that's very personal with you. So we're not going to get into that at all. But we understand that, and Inspector Quinn just had a conversation.
Here's where it gets beautiful. This judge often uses donations from kind-hearted strangers to help those in need. It's one of those rare moments where justice feels human.
With me relative to that. Okay. Many of these were not related to anything else except that you violated the traffic laws, okay?
Right.
And some, maybe because of a state of mind that you had, could have had some effect on your driving, but certainly not all of these, okay? And there are several of them. So I'm going to now inquire into your ability to pay these fines, okay? So are you working?
Yes.
What do you do?
I'm a recruiter for a staffing agency.
Okay. And you have one child?
Mm-hmm. I'm a single parent.
I can understand you're going through some difficulty in life, so we're going to try to help you out. Okay? There are in this country, in this world, some very generous people and some very compassionate and understanding people. And I receive correspondence from all over the world every week. And many of the correspondence includes checks from people who want to help other people because they have become familiar with the court proceedings here. So I have a correspondence from a individual by the name of Yosef Baras from Kingston, Pennsylvania. And he sent me a check for $100 asking that I use this, exercising my discretion, but that I do it by exercising some compassion and empathy. Okay. So I'm going to use that $100 to help pay your fine. Your fine is going to be a total of $350. Additionally, I'm going to employ
A simple hug, but it represents something powerful, from fear and survival to compassion and relief. This isn't just a courtroom scene, it's proof that justice can have a heart.
the generosity of a second, and that is the Fields family of Phoenix, Arizona, and they sent me a check for $75. These people are both immigrants, and they want to help someone else who is in need. So we're going to use that $75 check for you as well. So that's $175. And then lastly, I have a check from Casa Mesta, California, from a Zeno Mueller Coaching. Asked me to use my discretion to help someone who was in need and sent in a check for $50. So I'm going to use those 3 checks, and that comes to $225. So you're going to owe $125. Okay?
Can I give you a hug?
Come on up here. Relax. You feel better now?
Mm-hmm.